Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. Congratulations for the approval of new stimulus bill. Yes, and in this video, I am going to show you how you can get this $10,000 EIDL grants and loan, and I will tell you how you can get qualified for it step by step, word by word, and detail by detail. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $45,000 business loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now I know you guys are really eager, so without wasting any time, let's start the video. And here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So at first, a little overview and background. The funds for EIDL grant, remember that the Congress has allocated another $20 billion in EIDL grants alone in this new stimulus bill. If the president signs the legislation, the new EIDL grants will become instantly available. It appears that these grants are meant to fill a gap for businesses that may not have received the full $10,000 EIDL, also known as Economic Injury Disaster Loan grants, describes in the CARES Act. Well, when it comes to the background, by the way, if you remember that the CARES Act that was passed in March 27, 2020 included a grant for those who applied for an EIDL loan in the amount of $10,000. The SBA later determined that those grants would be made in an amount of $1,000 per employee. Yes, that was kind of shocking, right? Because everyone was so happy when they announced that $10,000, right? And many businesses owners felt cheated. Like literally, I was also the one that, what's going on? I was supposed to get $10,000, then why they restricted, right? So in addition, the funds available for grants were exhausted before all eligible businesses received them. Let me know in the comment below if you were one of them that who tried to apply and the funds were already exhausted, right? And this new legislation appears to help address these concerns. Like, this is worth noting that the business that applied for an EIDL even earlier in 2020 and meet the qualification may receive the full $10,000 grant minus any amount that you have already been received, even if their EIDL application were not approved. So keep that in mind. You know, these things are really important when you are going to apply for this EIDL grant. Now here is the fun part and what you all have been waiting for. How do I qualify for the new EIDL grant? Well, to qualify for the full $10,000 EIDL, also known as Economic Injury Disaster Loan grant, a business must be located in a low-income community and have suffered an economic loss greater than 30%. I already told you in all the grants application that I reviewed in your state that, you know, you can actually show them your profit and loss statement or your business statement. They require to see the reduction or the decrease in your gross income. So keep that in mind. Don't worry about the profits and the net income. They only want to see a reduction in gross income, and I know that a lot of businesses can actually show it pretty easily. When it comes to the employees, of course, the employees shouldn't be more than 300. So if you have more than 300 employees, then definitely you're not eligible for this full $10,000 EIDL grant. Well, in addition, the business must qualify as an eligible entity as defined in the CARES Act. So remember that a small business, cooperative, ESOP, tribal concern with fewer than 300 employees, an individual who operates under as a sole proprietorship with or without employees or as an independent contractor. Keep that in mind. The Lyft and Uber and the rideshare drivers are going to be eligible for it, so keep that in mind. A really good news for a lot of people who are independent contractors, who are actually in this rideshare business. So keep that in mind, that you guys will be eligible for this full $10,000 EIDL grant. A private non-profit or small agricultural cooperative, the business must have been in operation by January 31st, 2020. It's not 2021, it's 2020. The business must be directly affected by the pandemic. So keep that in mind. Well, there's also a good news, right? We are getting older and older by paying a lot of taxes, right? So our EIDL grants taxable. Good news is that new legislation clarifies that the EIDL grants are not taxable, that businesses who receive them will not be denied a tax deduction for qualified expenses paid for with those funds, and the EIDL grants will not be deducted from PPP for loan forgiveness purpose. Yes, this is actually a relief for myself as well. So the good news is that your EIDL amount, whatever you receive, I hope you're gonna receive $10,000, is not taxable. Well, this is really important and you need to know this, right? According to the legislation, the SBA will have 21 days after receiving the business's owner's request to verify whether the business qualifies, and if so, to provide the advance. Yes, so keep that in mind. The SBA will have 21 days after receiving the request, and this program extends through December 31st, 2021. Yes, we do have a whole year to actually go with it, to apply for it. But remember what happened last time, the funds were exhausted. So as soon as it opens, please apply it right away, right? And keep checking the channel. Please subscribe to it, like this video, click on the bell icon, because we will keep uploading great videos with awesome information that you need to know in order to apply for this EIDL $10,000 grant. Well, now the question comes that how you can apply for this new EIDL grants. Well, at first, as this stimulus bill has been approved by the Congress and the House, first the President must sign the legislation so it becomes the law. After that happens, the SBA will release guidelines and will open up the application portal at sba.gov. Remember last time as well, a lot of people were really confused because there were a lot of fake websites that people created and took your information. So right here, keep that in mind, is sba.gov. So keep that in mind. We will monitor the news from the Small Business Administration and will upload video when the information is available. So please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on the bell icon, because we will keep you updated with all the news that Small Business Administration will come up with. And of course, we will be definitely the first one to let you know whenever the SBA application opens, right? Well, this is really important. Will you have to reapply if you got an EIDL grant for less than $10,000 in the previous stimulus bill? The legislation requires that the SBA administrator to notify those who received a previous EIDL grant, as well as those who applied but did not get a grant because the funds were exhausted. You remember the frustration, what happened in the first stimulus bill? That's why I always advise you, and that's what I'm doing right here, that as soon as it opens, please apply right away, and please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on the bell icon, because we will keep you updated like on time. So if you have that notification bell clicked, then of course what will happen, as soon as we upload that video, the notification will come to you, and then you can act as soon as possible. It does not specify how that notice must be given until the SBA releases further guidance. We do not know a specific date right now when this will take place, but we will upload video when more information is available from SBA. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and smash that like button, right? And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $45,000 business loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow, and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.